Advise-Deta is a new company specializing in the design, construction and installation of in-process dielectric sensors and online monitoring and quality assurance systems for composites manufacturing processes. The advanced sensors have applications in a wide range of fields and a wide range of material transformation processes, including polymer processing, composite materials manufacturing, mixing of chemicals and repair of structures. Around the sensing elements, the company has developed measurement electronics, software tools for data acquisition, modeling, simulation, optimization and process control. The company owns the IP of the dielectric monitoring system, which includes dielectric sensors, electronic measurement hardware and intelligent process monitoring software. The system has been installed in several industrial sites of advanced composite manufacturing. Advise-Deta aims to market the existing technology and establish new applications in a wide range of modern manufacturing processes. Advise-Deta are a partner in the Graphosite project and also the project coordinator. The Graphosite project is funded by Innovate UK, and the main objective is to develop a structural health monitoring system based on a graphene sensor for defect detection and predictive maintenance in composite materials. Advise-Deta role in the project includes the development of the data acquisition system for graphene sensors and the facilitation of online measurement of strain and health monitoring of structures where the graphene sensor is attached.
In the area of health monitoring, where Graphosite plays a role for our direction of development, the application of the interdigitated sensors to health monitoring is a very attractive solution and can be a disruptive solution in terms of allowing composite materials to be monitored during service by a non-intrusive and very smart technique.